Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a lesson State Government. From this lesson, you are going to learn in deep about the following concerns. First one, the nature of the state legislature, the legislative assembly, and legislative council, their members and functions. Second one, the nature of the state executive, the governor and his qualifications and functions. Third one, the appointment of the chief minister and his functions. The Union of India comprises of 28 states and 8 union territories. The state governments follow the model of the central government and thus have the legislature, executive and judiciary. The state government has the power to frame the laws and subject under the state list and implement them. Some states have two houses like the parliament, whereas some states have only lower house, it means legislative assembly. First topic, state legislature. The state legislature is composed of the governor and the two houses. The upper house is called legislative council and the lower house is called legislative assembly. It means Vidhana Saudha. The legislative assembly has representatives of the people, whereas the legislative council has representatives from various fields. Next topic, Vidhana Saudha. It means assembly. The strength of the Vidhana Saudha depends on the population of the state. The maximum number of the seats of any Vidhana Saudha should not exceed 500 or below 60. The governor can nominate one member from Anglo-Indian community if he feels that they are not represented properly. However, the number of the seats in small states is less. For example, in Mizoram and Goa, there are 40 members each. The Vidhana Saudha in Karnataka has 225 members. Among 225 members, 224 members are elected, whereas one Anglo-Indian is nominated by the governor. Next topic, qualifications for the legislative assembly members. First one should be citizen of India. Second one should be completed 25 years of age. Third one should not be employed in any other office or profit of the government. Fourth one should not have been punished by any court. Fifth one should not be of unsound mind. Next one should not be an insolvent. Seventh one is should possess the qualification as decided by the parliament from time to time. Next topic, term of office. The members of the Legislative Assembly, Vidhana Saudha, are elected for a term of 5 years. However, the assembly may be dissolved before the expiry of the full term of the recommendation of the cabinet. At the time, the state will be under the president rule. If the members do not intend to continue the assembly, they should submit the resignation to the speaker. The speaker and the deputy speaker are elected from among the elected members of the assembly. The proceedings of the house are carried on under the chairmanship of the speaker. He has the functions of maintaining the peace, dignity and decorum of the house, summoning and postponing the meeting, safeguarding the rights of the members, and casting the decisive vote when bills receive equal number of the votes supporting and opposing them. Thank you, dear students.